In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can customize the checkout page of your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, go to the settings on the bottom left. Here, you'll see this checkout option on this menu. This is where you can customize the checkout page of your store. But before we do that, it's important that you add your payment gateway with Shopify. This will make the checkout customization process much easier. So, click on this payment option. Here, you can add your payment gateway to Shopify, which will allow you to collect payments from your customers. When you scroll down, you'll see this PayPal option. You can simply activate this payment gateway by clicking on this Activate button, and then you only have to enter your business details to connect your PayPal account. And if you scroll down a little, you'll see this Manual Payment Methods section. From here, you can enable the cash on delivery option in your store. Alright, now I only need to add a payment gateway. I can simply activate the Shopify payment gateway by clicking on this button, and then I only need to submit my business details to get approved. The best part about Shopify payment gateway is that it doesn't charge any transaction fees, which can actually save you a lot of money. But for now, I will not fully activate it, as I am currently working on a development store. So, I will simply go back to the Payments tab once again, and then I will click here to activate a test payment gateway. And as soon as I click on this Activate button, the payment gateway will be enabled on this store. Alright, now I will click on this Checkout option. This is where I can manage and customize the store checkout settings. So, I will simply click on this Customize button, which will take me to the editor. This is our store's current checkout page, and I am going to make some little changes to it. On the left-hand side, you'll see these options, which will help you edit this page. For example, if I want to add a logo to this page, I will simply go to the logo option on the left, click on Add Image, and then I will simply add my logo here. The logo is now visible on the store header. I can also increase or decrease the size of this logo from here. Next, I can change the position of the logo using these options. For now, I will keep it on the left side. Next, we also have the option to add a background image to this header. Adding a background can give your store a unique look, so I recommend that you do that. If you don't have a background, you can go to freepik.com and get a background for your store. For example, I will download this background for now, and then I will simply upload it here. And as you can see, the background is now visible on the header. And don't worry, you can remove this background whenever you want to. Next, we have this Background 1 option. This is the background of this form, so if I add any image here, it will appear just behind this form. But if I change the color here, it will also be visible at the header as well. For now, I will change the background to gray color. Next, we have the Background 2 here, which will change the color of this second section. Next up, we have these three colors. These color will appear on this form field, so feel free to play around with these options.